everyone. For this project, we're going to talk about the ergonomic factors of stair climbing. To begin with, ergonomic is an applied science that enhances the performance and productivity in workplaces to prevent any type of injury or excessive fatigue. It also studies the human interactions with the equipment to improve their capabilities while meeting the people's needs. The primary objective of the ergonomic are accomplished by changing the environment where these products are used, by redesigning the products, and methods and procedures enhanced. But for this project, we're only focuses on methods and procedures enhanced. This project focuses on analyzing the methods of ascending stairways, the physical exertion, and the ergonomical design of the staircases. Oxygen consumption, heart rate, and leg activity are all part of the physical exertion occurring during the climbing of the stairs. The respiratory system consists of a series of body parts including larynx, trachea, bronchi, and lungs. The main function of this part of the human body is to transport all the carbon dioxide and the oxygen required by the muscles and the tissues during the climbing stairs activity, along with the heart rate, blood vessels, and cardiovascular system.
During intensive levels of physical activities, the respiratory system is unable to meet oxygen demanded by the involved working muscles. This occurs in activities such as ascending stairs, where the involved muscles must require an increased oxygen uptake to carry the body weight against gravity. Oxygen consumption is a good indicator of energy expenditure. This is defined as the amount of oxygen consumed by the tissues of the body, which is usually measured as the oxygen uptake in the lung. But heart rate is considered to be much easier to measure and is the most accurate for moderate to heavy work. A linear relationship exists between oxygen consumption and heart rate. This is a unique measurement for every person. During the climbing of stairs, as with any exercise, adrenaline causes the heart to increase, which results in a higher level of oxygen and carbon dioxide being transported throughout the body. After taking into consideration the physical exertion of climbing stairs, one must consider the design of the stairs. There are strict building codes that designers must satisfy to guarantee the safety of the stair climber. The size and shape of the steps could create major problems for the stair climbers. Making each step too tall will result in extra movements and stress on the joints and physical effort for the stair climber.
A poor design, like creating the steps too shallow, would increase the number of total steps needed to reach the next floor. This will also increase the cost and lower the efficiency of the staircase and could create a possible tripping hazard for the stairs. In addition to the size and step frequency is a major aspect of stair climbing. The climbing process is a rhythmic activity, so any variation in the uniformity of the steps could result in an over or under step. Handrails act as a preventing and correcting measure. The color and lighting of the stairwell has a major impact on the stair climb as well. The climber uses their vision to climb stairs, not just their touch. The color coding of the steps should not contain horizontal lines or patterns that will create the false illusion of an extra step. The lighting should also be bright enough to easily see the steps, but not so bright as to cause a glare off the steps. This video has been brought to you by